Okay, good day, everyone. So, I will be explaining of the solutions for your quiz number 3. So, I will be sharing here the questions of your quiz number 3. Okay, so this is the question of your quiz number 3. Create the Boolean algebraic equation of the logic circuits, the function of f of x, y, z below. So, this is your circuit. And then after that one, once you've got your equation, you will draw the truth table. So for quiz number 3, we have here two types. This is our type A, wherein your AND gate here is connected to your NOT gates. Then the type B here is the AND gate is connected to OR gates. So in this case, we will discuss first the type A. So given here, we have the input X, Y, and Z. And we have here two AND gates here. This is our first AND gates, second AND gates. Then next is we also have one NOT gate, 1 and 2. And we have three OR gates. This is our 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is the first layer here. The one not AND gate, not, and also the OR gates. So we will proceed here first for the first AND gate. So X, Y, we have here the AND gate. So we just simply put here, it's the same as the multiplication process. So we have here X, Y. Next is the NOT gate. NOT gate is connected to Y. So input Y here, not Y. So we have here Y bar or kaya Y prime. And the other input is Z for this AND gate. So we have here Z. So the output of the second AND gate is Y bar Z. Okay. The next is this first OR gate here. The first input is X and the other input is Z. So since that this is the OR gates, so it's the same as the addition operation. So we have here X plus Z. Okay. So we are done in this part here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So let's proceed in this another layer of the circuit. So the output here is XY. Then it will goes to the input of NOT gate. So XY, not XY. So we have here XY prime. And then for this logic gate here, the OR gate, one input here is Y bar Z, and then the other input here is X plus Z. So we will combine this one, Y bar Z plus X plus Z. Okay? So for the third OR gates, we have here input XY bar, and the other input here is Y bar Z plus X plus Z. So for the function of f of X, Y, Z is equal to XY bar plus Y bar Z plus X plus Z. Now, notice here in this equation, we cannot just simplify the form because wala man sad sila common nga value niya ni. So this is the equation of this circuit. Now, since that we have already our algebraic equation, we will convert this one into truth table. So let's say this is our truth table. So we will just write the equation so that we can get the truth table. So function of x, y, and z is equal to xy prime or bar plus y bar z plus x plus z. Okay? So we will get here the xy bar first. So meaning this is our input x, y, and z. So the next column here, we put the first term, which is x, y bar, right? So opposite of x and y. So the value here for the first input, 0 and 0 is equal to 0, not 0 is equal to 1. Second inputs, 0 and 0 is equal to 0, not 0 is equal to 1. 0 and 1 is equal to 0, not 0 is equal to 1. Then 0 and 1 is equal to 0, not 0 is equal to 1. 1 and 0 is equal to 0, not 0 is equal to 1. 1 and 0 is equal to 0, not 0 is equal to 1. Then 1 and 1 is equal to 0, not 0. 1 and 1 is equal to 1, not 1 is equal to 0. And then 1 and 1 is equal to 1, not 1 is equal to 0. Okay, take note ha, because there is a bar here. So that's why the opposite value of this xy is the y bar. Okay, so next is we are done in this term. So we will go here, the y bar z. Since that we don't have the y bar here, so it's easier for us to determine if we have the value of our y bar. So dili pa ta diretso nga y bar z. So that dili ta malibog. So we have given here that we already have the z, but then the y bar is wala. So we will just put here the y bar. So the opposite value of your y is equal to y bar. So just simply write here, the first input is 0. So not 0, 0, not 0 is equal to 1. 1, not 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, we already have our y bar. So since we already have our y bar, we will get the whole term here, which is y bar z. Y bar and z. Okay, so this is the value of your y and this is your z. Okay, so we have here, I will change the color so that it's easy for you to determine. Okay. Um, this is your z and also your y. So meaning your y bar z is equal to z y bar. Okay, let's start. Since the arrangement here is naguna ang z, so we will start from z. So 0 and 1 is equal to 0. 1 and 1 is equal to, sorry, baliktad. Okay, sorry. Z is equal to 0 and y bar is equal to 1. So 0 and 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. This one, 1 and 1 is equal to 1. Okay. 0 and 0 is equal to 0. 1 and 0 is equal to 0. 0 and 1 is equal to 0. 1 and 1 is equal to 1. 0 and 0 is equal to 0. 1 and 0 is equal to 0. So we are done here. Okay. Next is x. Given the x here and also our z. Given our z here also. So in this case, we already have this one. Kani. So to get the function of f, so we will go back to red again. Function of excuse me, of um, function of x, y, z, which is, okay, pagkakaon sa nina ako ni ang table is equal to uh, x, y bar plus y bar z plus x plus z. So notice here, in this column, kani din ani, no? Kani siya, x, then, no? Hmm, ano, wala ang, may sa to, okay, so that, wala itong isulat. Then, okay, okay. X here, this is the equation x. Then we have also the z. And then we have your x, y bar and y bar z. Okay. So in this column here, these are the terms of the equation from the circuits. Now, they are combined using the OR gates naman na I plus. So the plus is also addition. So meaning, kung addition siya, OR gate siya, any of these column here that has 1, the output is 1. If all the inputs here are 0, so the output is 0. So only 0, ma-output niya is 0 if all of this input here in these terms, no, is equal to 0. Kung naa gani maski isa lang sa ilaan na nga 1, so the output is 1. So let's start for this column, for this row here. We have here x, 0, z, 0, x, y bar is 1, y bar z is equal to 0. So na ay 1 din aning nga part. So the output is 1. Next column, we have here 0 or 1 or 1 or 1. So 1. Next column, we have here 0, 0, x, y bar is 1, y bar z is 0. So na ay 1 sa ilahaan ni Dani. Kani siya. So 1. Fourth column, fourth row, 0, 1, or 1, or 0. 1. Okay, na ay 1. Next row, 1, or 0, or 1, or 0. 1. Next row, 1, or 1, or 1, or 1. So it's equal to 1. Next row, 1, or 0, or 0, or 0. So we have 1 here. Okay, 1 man sana siya. The last row, 1, or 1, or 0, or 0. So na ay 1 din ana nila. So 1. So this is the uh, truth table of the logic circuits, of the type A logic circuits. So if you got this one, so meaning you have 10 points for this, 20 points for this. Okay, this is for the type A. Now let's proceed to the type B of our circuit. So in this case, we still have one AND gate, two AND gates, sorry. We have two NOT gates, and still we have three OR gates. Okay. So the difference is bali lang to siya, no? Katong sa tong type A is AND din ani, NOT gate din ani. then our OR gate here is connected here. So still we have here three inputs, X, Y, and Z, with our output of functions of X, Y, and Z. So let's start here in the first AND gate. So X, Y, we have X, Y. Then next is the NOT gate is connected to Y. So Y, NOT. And then this AND gate here is connected to Z. So we have here Y bar Z. Our first OR gate here is connected with X and Z. So we have here X plus Z. Okay. So in this third OR gates here, a second OR gates here, first input is XY. Then the other input here is Y bar Z. So since this one is OR gate, so the process is addition. So XY plus Y bar Z. Okay. So in this case here, X plus Z. The output is X plus Z input to the NOT gate. So we have here X plus Z NOT. Okay. So imo sa ni siyang i-add ay haday ka mag-NOT. And then the third OR gate here is the input is XY plus Y bar Z. Then the second input here is X plus Y Z bar. So for the function of X, Y, Z is equal to XY plus Y bar Z plus X plus Z, open close parenthesis bar. Okay? So this is our equation. Now, by using the De Morgan's theorem, kata wala man kita na-discuss, no, but it's already given the theorems and postulates of Boolean algebra. The X plus Z bar here is not equal to X bar plus Z bar. Dili siya pwede. No? Kaya ang pasabot niya ani, you're going to add first the X plus Z and then not. This one here is X not. Not sa nimo ang the value of your X, and the value of Z also ginat nimo, aya nimo siya gi-add. Okay? So, diferensya na siya ha. Like for example, let's say if our value of X is equal to 0, our Z is equal to 1. So if you're going to put here 0 plus 1, not is not equal to 0 bar plus 1 bar. Okay? So this one, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, not 1, so that's why it's equal to 0. In this case here, not 0 is equal to 1, plus 1, not 1 is equal to 0. So that's why it's not equal, no? So 0 is not equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So take note for this one. Okay? If we have the OR gates. So, kung mayon kag X, Y bar, this is AND gate, is equal to X bar, Y bar. Kay AND gate masagyapon na siya. Walay kausaban niya na. Kung let's say if X is 0, Z is 1, let's say Y is 1. So let's say 0 or 1, 0 and 1 is equal to, this one is X, not X, not 0 is equal to 1. Y, 1, not 1 is equal to 0. Value. Kani, siya 0 and 1 is equal to 0. Not 0, this is 1. This one is 1, not 1 and 0 is equal to 0. So still not It's not equal also. Okay? Okay. So let's proceed. Uh, Okay, this one, 0 and 0 is equal to 0, not 0 is equal to 1. Like this one here. 0 and 1 is equal to 0, not 0 is equal to 1. Right? Okay. So let's proceed. So this is our equation. So we will write here for the truth table. So function of x, y, z is equal to xy plus y bar z, uh, xy plus y bar z plus, dako-dako ni siya, x plus z bar plus x plus z bar. Ano na siya? We haven't applied the Morgan's theorem here. So we just simply write whatever the value of our logic circuits. So in this case, we will get the value of our x, y, yz, then x plus z bar, x plus z overall bar. So we will get here first the uh, xy. So for the xy, so we will just move here first so that it's easy for us later on to write the value of each combination. So, sobraan na siya. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the xy. So we have here x, y. So the combination here, inputs 0 and 0 is equal to 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, still 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1. Okay, so we are done in this turn. Next is we have y bar z. Okay, sakto ba to? Wait Yeah, okay, y bar z. So y bar z. So we don't have any y. So we will get here the y bar first. So that pag multiply na to or pag combine the z, it's easier for us to determine. So the y bar here, tungkol yan of blue because the y bar. So whatever the value here of y is the opposite of y bar. So we have here 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so we already have the value of our y. So to get the value of y bar z, so we have here y bar z. So this is our z here. So 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0 and 0, 0. Then the last combination 1 and 0 is equal to 0. So we already done this term. So let's proceed to the x plus z bar. Okay. To make it easier for us, let's get the value of x plus z muna. So whatever the value of x plus z is the opposite na dione niya. Okay? Yan naman siya bar. Okay, let's get here first the x plus z. Hmm. X plus z. Wala pa yung bar niya, ana. We will just add first the x. X plus z. So this is our input x and input y. So 0 or 0 is equal to 0. 0 or 1 is equal to 1. 0 or 0 is equal to 0. 0 or 1 is equal to 1. 1 or 0 is equal to 1. 1 or 1 is equal to 1. 1 or 0 is equal to 0. And 1 or 1 is equal to 1. Now, to get the value of our x plus z bar, so whatever x plus z bar, no, is the opposite of this x plus z. 0 is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0 is 1, 1 is 0, 1, no, sorry, 0, opposite, 0, 0 is 1, 1 is 0. Okay? So we have this value na, kaning x plus z bar, na opposite. Okay. So to get the value of this function, function of, ay siya ba? Okay, well anyway, function of x, ay, of x, yeah, of x, y, z is equal to x, y plus y bar z plus x plus z bar. Okay? So we have here this one, xy plus y bar z plus x plus z bar. So 0 or 0 or 0 or 1 is equal to 1. 0 or 1 or 0 is equal to 1. 0 or 0 or 1 is equal to 1. 0 or 0 or 0, this is 0. 0 or 0 or 0, this is 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0 is equal to. So this is the truth table for type 2 na quiz. No? Kani siya, itong truth table. So if you have some questions, just let me know. Just message me regarding this quiz number 3. So I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. Hope that you understand for this quiz number 3. Thank you.